Balerion, also known as the Black Dread, was a dragon for House Targaryen. Ridden by Aegon Targaryen during the Conquest, Balerion allowed many dragon riders during his roughly 200 years alive. Balerion's last known dragon rider was Prince Viserys in the year 93 AC. However, Balerion was already showing signs of his age, and Viserys believed he could not make the trip from King's Landing to Dragonstone. Viserys took pride in saying he was able to mount the Black Dread, and within 1 year, the dragon died in his sleep. Viserys would never again claim another mount. The Dance of Dragons would begin in the year 129 AC, and since Balerion was long dead, the next biggest dragon alive was his sister, Vhagar, who would play a big role in the dance.